Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa ating water sign na Pisces with the water elements. Okay? Bigyan ko po kayo ng timeless reading. This is a general, not a personal. Okay po? Well, hindi po ito personal reading. Kung halimbawa, if you have a higher expectations, big sabihin hindi ka nakaresonate, maybe you need ay tinatawag na professional tarot reader para masagot ang inyong tinatawag na katanungan. Okay? Lola Baby, nagpapakilala po. Isa lang pong likes, shares, and subscribes para naman po mag-grow ang channel ni Lola. Okay? Salamat po ng marami. Pisces. So, ano ito, Pisces? It's like tinatawag, iritang-irita ka sa mga taong kontra sa iyo. Okay? Yan, yun na nakikita ko. Ang bilis naman agad. Okay? It's like yung tinatawag na ito yung mga taong salungat sa iyo. Salungat sa iyong belief, salungat sa iyong gusto, salungat sa iyong paniniwala, salungat sa mga sinasabi mo, salungat. Ibig sabihin nito, naiirita ka sa kanila, di ba? Yan. Kung kaya dito, maybe for some of you, yung tinatawag, biglang sasabog ang the Pisces, di ba? It's like tinatawag, ayoko sa'yo, di ba? Direct. Ibig sabihin, napaka-direct na tinatawag na the Pisces. Para silang bulkang mayon, biglang sumabog. Di ba? So, nakikita dito, Pisces, yung tinatawag, teka muna, Pisces, pinagsisisihan mo ba? Or ito maaari ito yung tinatawag na tinitingnan mo ang reaction, nakikiramdam. Okay? So nakikita dito the Pisces, nakikiramdam siya, di ba? Ano ang reaction? It's like teka muna, Pisces, di ba? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag after this. It's like mangyayari or nangyari na ito. Pwedeng ito the past or the present, okay? Or sabihin na natin sa future, pinaghahandaan mong sumabog, 'di ba? Yan, kumbaga dito ilalabas mo na, 'di ba? Yung iyong tinatawag na sentiment, sama ng loob, 'di ba? Sipayo, yan. Pero ano ito? It's like kung halimbawa sumabog ito. It's like it's a consideration. Meron ka ikina-considerate din, 'di ba? Maring dito pagka sumabog ka, kaya ka siguro nakatingin, 'di ba? Either ito yung makasakit, di ba? Yan, maaring ito yung pagsisihan mo. So, nakikita ko lang dito yung tinatawag maaring nagko-contemplate ka pa. Nag-iisip-isip ka pa, di ba? It's like tinatawag, pinag-aaralan mong maigi the outcome once na ikaw is sumabog. Okay? So, naririto yung tinatawag na, ilan ba ito? 2, 4, 6, 8, the 9, okay? The 9 of Pentacles, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na your beautiful traits, okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag hanggat maaari, hinahabaan mo na lang ang pasensya mo, di ba? Kung sino itong mga kontrabida sa buhay mo, traidor sa buhay mo, inuunawa mo na lang, di ba? Kumbaga dito, hinahabaan mo na lang ang pasensya mo. As much as possible, tinatawag ayaw mong sumabog. Dahil kumbaga dito ay nako, para itong talagang parang sa yung tinatawag kakalat ang lava. Okay? Whatever is that, di ba? So ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, hahabaan mo na lang ang iyong pasensya. Uunawain mo na lang as much as possible, uunawain mo na lang. Okay? Makikisama. It's like tinatawag na very very stable ang Pisces na ito. 'Di ba? It's like tinatawag na ikaw na lang ang mag-a-adjust. Hangga't kaya mo mag-adjust 'yan, mag-a-adjust ka, 'di ba? Para huwag ka na lang sumabog. So naririto ang tinatawag na the king of ano ito, ha? The King of Cups, yan. It's about your duty, it's about your service. 'Di ba? Ibig sabihin nito what you are capable of, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin ng capable, ano ang capability, kapasidad ng isang Pisces, 'di ba? Ang sumabog, ang magalit, ang maging straightforward, 'di ba? Ano pa ang kanyang tinatawag na traits, 'di ba? It's about your traits. Ibig sabihin nito, for some of you, yung tinatawag nurturing, loving, yan ang kakayahan mo, di ba? Ang magpasensya, ang magtiyaga, ang habaan, ang pasensya, di ba? pagtitimpi, habaan ng pagtitimpi, 'di ba? It's like tinatawag, gusto mo nang makipagyera pero hinahabaan mo ang pagtitimpi because you don't want to hurt, okay? You don't want to hurt their emotions, 'di ba? Yan. Kaya dito nakikita mo yung tinatawag considerable, okay? Very, very considerate kayo. Yan. It's like nakikita mo the effect. Once it happens, once ito'y sumabog, you will see the effect. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ayaw mo din ito. Diba? Yan. Ayaw mo magkaroon ng samaan ng loob sila. Sumama ang loob nila sa iyo. Diba? It's like tinatawag disintegration. Diba? Yan. Because the King of Cups is about integration. Diba? So, ayaw mo magkaroon ng disintegration. Okay? It's like tinatawag, kanya-kanya na tayong takbuhan, kanya-kanya na tayong buhay, kanya-kanya na tayong gastos kung magkakasama tayo dito sa bahay, wala akong pakialam sa iyo. And you don't want that. You don't like that. Diba? Yan. Kasi may pangangailangan ka din. Pero nakikita dito, yung tinatawag na, you are ready to sacrifice. Okay? Kaya-kaya mong isacrifice ang iyong buhay para lang sa nasasakupan mo. Kung sino ito, di ba? It's like nasa loob ng bahay mo, nasa loob ng community, nasa loob ng trabaho, di ba? Kaya nilalaparan mo ang iyong pangunawa. Okay? So, narito yung tinatawag na the five. Okay? The 5 of Wands, di ba? So, ano itong the 5 of Wands na ito? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na it's about you, okay? Your behavior, di ba? It's about your mission, di ba? You know? What is your mission? What is your behavior? What is your dreams? What is your tinatawag na ambition, di ba? You know? Sa tinatawag na the 5. Okay? The 5 of Wands. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, you're a very, very loving person. Okay? You don't want to hurt. It's like, mahal na mahal mo ang nasasakupan mo, be it your parents, your marriage, children, siblings, di ba? Community, yan. Sa trabaho man ito, other people. You love them. Di ba? You don't want, you'd bring no harm. Okay? Kasi nakikita dito, it's about your sacrifices. Okay? And you are, nakikita naman dito. Okay? Yung tinatawag na, it's about high regards of them. Yan, binibigyan ka nila ng importansya. Okay? Kung sino man itong mga taong nakapalibot sa inyo, binibigyan kayo ng importansya. Piniimportansya kayo. Diba? Hindi kayo ini-echepuera. Yan, dahil iniimportansya, ganito kalaki ang importansya mo sa kanila, ganito din kalaki ang importansya nila sa inyo. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Queen. Okay? The Queen of Swords, di ba? Ano itong the Queen of Swords? It's like para kang nanay, di ba? It's like palagi para kang yung tinatawag mabuting pastol, di ba? Yan, no? Pinangangalagaan mo ang pamilya mo, pinangangalagaan mo ang mga kapatid mo. You are taking care, okay? Kung ano itong nasasakupan ninyo, okay? Maybe pinangangalagaan mo ang finances ninyo, di ba? Yung halimbawa budget sa bahay, pagbabudget sa bahay, ang health ng family mo, di ba? Pinangangalagaan mo. Your work, your tinatawag relationship, kung ito may sa mga kolega mo, kolegas, sa boss mo, pinangangalagaan mo, di ba? It's like tinatawag, it's about your responsibilities. Ano itong tinanggap mong responsibilities? Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na pinaninindigan mo. Okay? To the 10 of Swords, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, It's about responsibilities. Okay? It has something to do about tinatawag your relationship. Okay? Your relationship sa iyong mga kapatid, kaibigan, society, friends, di ba? Relatives, parents, di ba? So nakakapagod. Yan ha, nakikita dito. It's full of action. It's like tinatawag you're a one-man band. Kaya siguro nga lumabas ang The Tower. Maybe it's very, very exhausting because of the 10 of Swords. Very, very exhausting. Very, very, masyado ka ng fatigue. Diba? Yan. Masyado na, kumbaga dito yung tinatawag your mind. Diba? Hindi ka na, it's like kalat, scattered na. Okay? Scattered na yung mind mo. Okay? Scattered na. Scattered brain, di ba? Maybe you cannot think anymore. You do not know what you want, di ba? You do not know who you gonna follow, di ba? It's like, sino ba susundin ko? Si kuya, si ate, si nanay, si tatay. It's like marami dito, oh, you do this, you do that, di ba? Ang daming orders. Kumbaga dito ay very, very whirlwind, okay? Full of whirlwinds. It's like tinatawag chaos. Diba? Yan. It's like tinatawag walang katapusan. Walang katapusang trabaho, walang katapusang kompromiso, walang katapusang responsibilidad, walang katapusang pag-aalaga, walang katapusang utos, walang katapusang demands from them. Kaya dito, you are nearly, malapit ka ng sumabog. But tinakita dito, tinatawag na you're still holding back, di ba? Dahil ayaw mong nag-iisip ka, tinatawag the effect. What will be the effect once na sumabog ka, di ba? Because this is your traits, this is your quality na mine-maintain mo, okay? Kumbaga dito tinatawag, pine-preserve mo. This is you, this is not you, di ba? It's like tinatawag, you and them. Okay? Sino ba ang aking susundin? Sino ba ang boss ko? O, diba? Saan ako pupunta? Ano ba ang kailangan ko kainin? Bakit kailangan ganito daw oras ako matulog? Ganitong oras ako kumain? Ganito, diba? It's like, it's like, ang dami kong kausap. Diba? Yan. Maybe you are pressured, okay? Maybe so many people are giving you orders, telling you what you will do, di ba? That you don't have to do this, you have to do that. Stop doing this, stop thinking that, you think this, di ba? Okay? It's like you are manipulated, yan, under control. It's like tinatawag, they are holding you, di ba? Para kang aso, sunod, may collar, di ba? Kumbaga dito nawawala na yung tinatawag your femininity. And why you want to claim back your power? Okay? You want to claim back your power. So, ibig sabihin nito, whatever is this, you want a change, di ba? Whatever is that, maybe you want ano tawag dito? A time for yourself, di ba? A time to rest, di ba? It's about, maybe it has something to do about your passions, your creativities. Maybe it has something to do about hobbies. Maybe it has something to do about networking. Or maybe it has something to do about opening a social media, a platform, di ba? Kumbaga dito, how you will express yourself, di ba? You want others to see this, di ba? It's what you are capable of. Maybe it has something to do about your health. It's about your identity. It's about yourself, your body. Diba? Maybe you want to go out, you want to go shopping, you want to eat tinatawag na masarap. Diba? It's like tinatawag dito na pampering yourself, spoiling yourself. Maybe you are looking for love. Diba? Maybe you want to upgrade yourself. Diba? Yan. It's like tinatawag, the new kid in town. There is a new kid in town. It's like, ibig sabihin nito, your eyes, di ba, na-focus. Maybe na-focus sa isang magandang babae, sa isang magandang lalaki. Oh, there's a new kid in town. Di ba? Maybe you want to know him, you want to know her. You want to be close to her, to him, di ba? So what is this? Maybe it's about your passion, it's about your mission, it's about your calling, that you have a calling, di ba? Maybe you want to go away. You want to escape. You want more time for yourself. Yeah? Maybe it's a hobby. Maybe you want to do crochet, you want to sing, you want to dance. Diba? You want to open a business. There's something to do about beauty. Maybe, let's say, sabihin na natin, you want to show how to apply manicure, pedicure, okay? How to apply beautiful colors to your nails, diba? A hair, diba? It's more about tinatawag showing what's your gifts, diba? So whatever is this, kakaroon din naman ng endings, diba? Whatever is this, it's like tinatawag, nobody can stop you, diba? Because sometimes you are stubborn. You want independency, diba? You want time for yourself, diba? Because you're the king, and this is the queen. And that's your tinatawag two energies, your masculine and your femininity, diba? Since you are ruled, you have an elements. Your elements is water, but you have also masculine, diba? Ibig sabihin nito, if I don't want to follow you, I will not follow you. Ibig sabihin, stubborn ka rin, matigas ang ulo, di ba? Pero mapagmahal, you are showing your femininity. Tinatawag your kindness, your love, you're a loving person. But you have here, ibig sabihin nito, meron ka ding rules, di ba? It's like, meron din ikaw limitation. Diba? Ibig sabihin nito, marunong din ikaw sumabog, marunong ka ding magalit, marunong ka ding tinatawag very direct, diba? Makasakit na kung makasakit. So whatever is this, you are tinatawag planning what you are planning. Sa tinatawag na the world, okay? What you are planning. It's like you are here for a mission, diba? What mission sa tinatawag na the world? It's like gusto mo makuha ito. Tinatawag na mapasa iyo, di ba? Ano ang gusto mong mapasa iyo? Di ba? Yan. Maaaring dito gusto mo magkaroon ng ending sa isang relationship. Maybe you want to live alone, di ba? Maybe sabihin na natin dito, tinatawag na you want to open a business, di ba? It's like, gusto mong gumawa ng bagay na nobody will tell you, okay? How you do it, paano mo ito gagawin, in what ways, di ba? Nobody will give you orders. Tinatawag na the world. Ibig sabihin nito kalayaan, okay? There is no friction. There is no alitan. There is no awayan. Diba? You want peace. Okay? You want gains. You want increase. You want a new shoes, a new hairstyle, a new dress. Food, kalayaan, sa pagtulog, sa pag-exercise, whatever. Sa tinatawag na the world. Okay? So for some of you nakikita ko lang dito, you want to become a star, you want to be recognized, di ba? Sa iyong tinatawag na works, sa iyong pagsasakripisyo, you want to be recognized dito sa tinatawag na the world, okay? So for some of you, ito lang naman ang gusto mo, a recognition from them, yung mga sakripisyong ginagawa. Yun lang naman ang hangad mo, 'di ba? A promotion, 'di ba? Let's say an increase of salary, wages, 'di ba? A wealth, okay? Acquiring wealth, acquiring love, acquiring friends, acquiring beauty, acquiring good health, acquiring good job, 'di ba? A career, 'di ba? So tinatawag na the world. Okay?